Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop dishwashers, the SPT South Dakota 9263SS and the HAVA 2025. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and performance to help you decide which one is the best fit for your kitchen. We'll look at their capacity, material construction, and additional features that set them apart. Let's dive in and see how these two models stack up against each other. Both the SPT South Dakota 9263SS and the HAVA 2025 offer a capacity of 8 place settings, making them suitable for small to medium-sized households. However, the SPT's larger size may allow for more flexibility in loading larger items, while the HAVA's compact design is ideal for kitchens with limited space. It's essential to consider your typical dishwashing needs when evaluating capacity. The SPT South Dakota 9263SS is constructed from stainless steel, which not only enhances its durability, but also gives it a sleek, modern look. In contrast, the HAVA 2025 is made from polypropylene, which is lightweight and portable, but may not offer the same level of durability as stainless steel. This difference in material can impact both the aesthetic and longevity of the dishwashers. When it comes to features, the HAVA 2025 stands out with 8 wash programs, including a child lock and delayed start function, making it a versatile option for families. The SPT SD-9263SS, while offering 6 wash programs, lacks these additional features, which may be a deciding factor for some users. Consider what features are most important to you when making your choice. In conclusion, both the SPT South Dakota 9263SS and the HAVA 2025 have their strengths and weaknesses. The SPT offers a larger capacity and durable stainless steel construction, while the HAVA provides extra features and a compact design. Depending on your kitchen space and specific needs, either could be a great addition to your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.